Hi everyone, it's Emily here with Splash Pool and Spa in Cedar Rapids, and we are bringing you another episode of Splashy segments. As you can see, I am joined by the dynamic duo, Ashley and Taylor, here at our retail location on Center Point Road, and we're in a little bit of a different environment today. It smells of rich cedar wood, and Ashley, you said it is...
It's a Western red cedar.
Western red cedar, not just your ordinary basic cedar. But we're sitting in this beautiful Finleo sauna, a custom sauna, and that's what we're going to talk to you about today. So, Ashley, I'll start with you. Why would someone be interested or consider a custom sauna over some of the prefabricated options that we have as well?
Yeah, not a lot of people think of custom because not a lot of sauna manufacturers do that, first of all. So it's very unique that Finleo is able to do that. Things in my mind when we're looking at the saunas and we're kind of trying to figure out what people like, things in my mind that would lead me to recommend a custom would be if you have a very unique space, or if we're looking at some of the prefab rooms and you like certain features of this one, or maybe you don't like certain features of that one, you can really just customize to your heart's content. Wood, lights, all that stuff.
So it just gives people, it opens up the possibilities for what you could have in a sauna.
It's a whole new world.
And now when we think about custom, I know with our pools that we do, there's a design element, you know, coming up with all the different things you want to incorporate into your custom pool or custom sauna. How does that design process work?
Yeah, the design process is unique to each person. So some people come in and it's really simple. They already know what they want. They don't want to get too intricate with the lights and the features. Sometimes we'll just put down measurements, send that over to Finleo, and if they accept that first initial design, we get it made.
I think you said someone actually drew up a design concept on a cocktail napkin, and that's all you needed.
Yes, correct.
All right, so there you go. Cocktail napkin.
It can be a little more intricate than that because sometimes we're back and forth.
Little stick figures,
like
S's and O's.
A flip pad that it's like building the sauna. But yeah, so sometimes the design process can be a little more lengthy and fun. You can get really creative on features that you want to choose.
Cool. Speaking of features, now Taylor, you're kind of the resident expert on saunas. What are some of the features that you can customize in a custom sauna?
Yeah, I absolutely love this part of the process because we can get really creative in what we do. So anything from all different kinds of lighting, the wood, different woods that you can use. So for example, in this one, we're actually using a two-tone. So we've got the darker and we've layered it with the lighter abachi as well. It's amazing. So all the way down to the door that you can choose, and then the glass on that door if it's stained at all, and there's some that actually have some cute designs on them as well, which I really like, so it's really fun to do.
So your standard things like lighting and audio and things you can customize,
yes.
Heaters you mentioned.
Yeah, that's another thing as well.
But even the wood, that is fantastic. Yeah. And the benches and the layout here too, can you kind of pick and choose that?
Yeah, you can customize that as well. Some people just like more of a standard, but then this is pretty nice too because, you know, we can have, it's hard to kind of see right now, but we actually have a lower bench in this one as well. So tons of room in here.
You can get all kinds of people in here.
My 5'3" self is stretched all the way out. Thank you.
Okay, so really the sky's the limit when it comes to how much you can customize these.
Yeah.
And I know that, you know, sometimes when we think about custom, we think, oh, that's going to come with a price tag. Ashley, what should people be thinking about when it comes to the price of a custom sauna?
Yeah, so a couple things. The price of the sauna itself is typically less, but the installation is probably going to run a little more.
And we're talking about in comparison to prefab,
correct?
Right?
Yep,
okay.
Comparing to prefab room. So prefab room, just so we're all on the same page, Finleo basically makes that at the factory for us. The walls, and all we have to do is kind of slide the walls and floor and ceiling together. Pretty simple. The installation with a custom sauna is going to require a finished carpenter.
Okay.
So that's why installs can be run a little higher. you definitely want to use someone that knows what they're doing. We have a couple contractors we worked with on a regular basis for those.
Yeah, so probably don't want to pull just any Joe Schmo off the street to do this. You do want to work with a professional, and we have a network we can recommend there.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right. If someone's looking for custom saunas or saunas in general, I'm assuming they should just stop in.
Yeah.
All right, stop on in. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 4. We'd love to help you pick out the perfect Finleo sauna for your home. Until next time. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2, talk, blah, blah, blah.
How's that if I'm laying down?
Ashley said, sketch one up on a cocktail napkin and we'll get it going for you.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Bye, guys.